Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the front headlight bulb or the whole headlight assembly on a Ford Focus. This one is a 2012 model, but it's the same model and from 2012 until 2015. So of course you need to go ahead, open the hood, and now you need to see which bulb doesn't work or which headlight you want to replace. Both of them is the same procedure. We're going to demonstrate on the driver's side, the left side. So this bulb right here in the corner, let me get a better view. You need to remove it either with a flathead screwdriver or I think it's T35 star looking screwdriver, and the one right here in the corner. Okay, that's the inner side. And now you grab the headlight like that, you pick the front end up first to the outside and you pull it out. Okay, and now in order to remove the wires you need to stick the screwdriver there, pry it like that until it clicks and it will release the wires, and you need to pull. You need to pull hard because they get stuck there. Okay, and now this is the headlight if you need to replace it. And if you want to replace the headlight bulb, you just pull out the rubber seal, you turn the bulb to the counterclockwise about, let me see, that's about 30 degrees or so, and you pull it out of there. Okay, and this is the bulb. If you need to replace it, you just need to unhook this one right here by pulling and like that, and this is the headlight bulb. You just install the new one the same way. It's better, it's probably easier if you install it, turn clockwise this time until it locks, and you can install the wire this way. Or if you can't, you can just go ahead and do it now. It's up to you. And now what you need to do, you need to make sure that you install the rubber seal, otherwise you'll get water in your headlights. And the other one, it's identical to this side. So you open the thing, you need to press right here, press down towards each other and pull up. Okay, and that's how you release the bulb. And now this is the light bulb, and you just pull it out of there. One thing about them, never touch the bulbs with your fingers, the glass part, because if you do, the oil from your fingers will burn the headlight bulbs fast because it makes it too hot. And you just install the new one in the slot there the same way. And now you just go ahead and install the wires. They need to get in the grooves right there, and you press down until it clicks. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.